Today is a day to celebrate the achievements of these young players. You know, they've worked extremely hard. They're a very talented group, but talent alone isn't enough. We all know that. We're proud that they've been able to do that, so we know it's an historic occasion. It's been a long, long time. Hopefully the fact that these young players at this stage of their careers have already tasted success. Hopefully there's a lot of success in front of them with Wales' national team. We always want to put Wales on the map, and it's important also that we do that at every level, you know, within our player development pathway, with our intermediate squads, with the under-16s in winning the Victory Shield as we have, and also within our other programmes, whether that's our grassroots programme, whether it's our coach education that has a world-class reputation. I think, you know, as a footballing nation, we've got a lot to be proud of, and without a doubt they were the best team in the competition. They won every game on merit, won every game outright and convincingly, and therefore are deserved winners. You know, and we've had other great teams. You know, the last couple of years we've finished runners-up, so we're consistently up there in the top two. They're mature young men that take the responsibility of representing Wales seriously, both on and off the pitch, and their standards on the pitch have been replicated off it. So we've got plenty of young ambassadors here to be proud of in Wales.